Hey, welcome to week 15. So we are in our final week of classes. So this week, the only task that you have is to complete the final exam. So I just wanted to say, first of all, thank you for everyone for all your hard work this semester. I enjoyed working with each of you throughout the course. For this week, you have your final exam. I didn't have a final exams topic prepared for the final exam, but many of you expressed interest in how the topics for the midterm had helped you study for the midterm exam. So I went ahead and I put those topics up for this week. So I included them here for week 15. So the final exam topics are listed here on the main page. And then below that is your exam. So I do want to mention the final exam is very similar to your midterm. So you can take it anytime between now and May 3rd at midnight. Now you have 2 hours to take the exam. I know that many of you said for the midterm exam that you kind of waited till last minute and then you ran out of time. So I know that you are super busy trying to finish up all your coursework this week and getting studying for exams. So I know it's a hectic week, but please don't wait till the last minute so you have full opportunity to take the entire 2 hours if needed for the exam. So that is all I have for this week. The only other thing I want to mention is the May 3rd is the date. If you don't take the exam by May 3rd, I have a very short turnaround time on grades. I don't have the ability to extend that due date unless there's an extenuating circumstance, which would usually involve an incomplete and more things or administrative items after that. So please be diligent about getting this done by May 3rd. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, you're welcome to call me, email me, text me. Otherwise, have a great week and thank you very much.